everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Biscuit from the children's book series. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Biscuit, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little oval, and I'm going to leave just a little bit white in there. Same thing over here. I'm just going to color a little oval in, and just leave a little bit white. Now right here, I'm going to make a little sad face for the nose. I'll curve it in on each side. Then I'll make a line that's going to come down and up. Next, I'm going to color in most of this, and I'll just leave a little bit white. Now, starting here, let's draw a little line down. Then let's draw a line that's going to come down and up. And another one here. It's going to go down, and then we'll kind of bring it in. Next, I'm going to curve this line up to here. Leave a little space, and then I'm going to curve this down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. I'll bring this line out and then in. I'll just bring it in here. Same thing here. I'm going to bring this up and then down for part of the ear. Bring this line out and then in. We'll bring this line in and up and in. Next, we'll just bring a line right here to connect it. And we'll make a little smiley face right here. Now for the collar, let's go down and then up here. Then let's make another one. Then right here, we're going to go down and then up. Next, we're going to bring this line down. Bring a line that's going to come out, curve it around to here. Then we'll make two little curved lines like this. Next, we'll bring this up, and I'll put a couple little zigzag lines there to make it look like it's kind of furry. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'll make a line that's going to come down here. We'll curve this around for the paw. Then we'll make a couple more little curved lines for some more toes. I'm going to bring this line up with a couple zigzags to here. Then I'll curve this to here. Next, we're going to make some little points right to here. Then I'm going to curve this line out and in, and then one more here. Next, right here, let's draw a little line for part of the foot. Then we'll make a little curvy line with some points for the other leg. Now for the tail, let's make some little points like this. And make some little points that come down. And then we can make some little curves right here for the eyebrows. And then for some details, I like to add a couple little lines right by the ears. And there you go, there is your drawing of how to draw Biscuit. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.